We're going to the Arabian Sea because that first cyclone is now petering out off the Arabian coastline as the eastern system strengthens and is forecast to dance about for a good while here in the northwest Indian Ocean. In about 5 days, the forecast has it rushing the west coast of India. We will update this one towards the end of the weekend. To the east of that, in Malaysia, it has been horrendous flooding. Not so much in one fell swoop of a storm, but a lasting restraint on life for weeks. Thousands lost power last night up the eastern portion of the country as the low finally reached the Appalachians and the convergence tore up the range and then the coastline, battering Gulf states up to Maine. And what's behind it is a bigger story. The cold wave. Records continue being smashed, not just for cold, but for snow. This was indeed the second record-breaking cold system of the month. Let's begin the science articles first with a look at planetary habitability. In an excellent piece here, they acknowledge that it's not just about how much sunlight is received by the planet, but a balance between needing to be close enough not to freeze while still being far enough away that the radiation and magnetic fields associated with solar flares and coronal mass ejections doesn't sterilize your entire planet. This study took a different approach than previous studies to have reached the same conclusion, studying the interplanetary magnetic field with which the planets interact. FYI, that not only controls space weather at a planet, but our earthquake science contribution to that satellite mission that we covered a few days ago was about interplanetary magnetic fields and megaquakes. Up next, a quick stop over at Chandra for their annual archive review. They do an annual collection of the X-ray heavens, and this year they're focusing on nova remnants, an appropriate move given the last 12 months of observer focus. We are showing